Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to sign out of the Amazon app. Let us get started by opening up your Amazon application. Once on Amazon, tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu of Shop by Category. Then click on the Shop by Department option. Now in the account settings, swipe down a bit, and under Account Settings, you will see the option to switch accounts. Tap on Switch Accounts. Now tap on Manage at the top right corner. Here, you will see a list of all the accounts you are logged into on your Amazon application. So to log out of a specific account, tap on Manage next to that account. Then you will notice a cross icon. Tap on it. Then a prompt will appear, notifying you that you will be signed out of the account. Confirm by tapping on Sign Out, and you will be successfully logged out of your Amazon account. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.